So let's say you're preparing for a meeting and there are specific questions that all of you want to ask. You have multiple members of the team and you all want to make sure that when you're discussing things with the customer that you're spot on, that you're not re-asking questions you've already asked before, and you're asking the questions that are important for the team to gather and to be successful at whatever they're trying to do. And an easy way to do that is to use a spreadsheet. And you can dump the data into tabs here. And we have it broken down by question and question old and data from so and so and data from so and so. But we can go ahead and look through this information quickly and easily within our meeting so that if a question comes up during the meeting, we can type in a keyword from that question and it'll find that in our database. And so we've collected this information from all the team members. It makes it for a very successful way to have a meeting. So let's start at how to do that. We have a spreadsheet open. We just created some simple cells here, right? Rows, excuse me, and very easy. And then we've gone ahead and we're going to take advantage of the find feature that is found within Excel. So if you're sitting on a tablet or a phone and you have Excel running, you can certainly do this on your tablet or phone during the meeting, not be too disruptive with a bunch of papers and trying to shuffle around, look for keywords. There's hundreds of things, maybe even thousands of data points. So one of the key things you need to do within this search engine, by default, usually it searches by sheet. You notice here, these are the sheets, right, within the workbook. So we want to make sure that we're not just searching within the sheet. Now, you may just want to search within the sheet, but generally speaking, you want to search within the workbook. So we're just going to click down there and say search within workbook. And then we're going to put in a key term. Let's just put in storage, for example. And we're just going to hit find all. And now you see here, notice that it goes down through all of the storage questions and it highlights them here, as you can see. And the cell is SC11 in case you can't see that. So C11. All right. And then we can go down through and continue to click. Here's another one, C19, and so on and so forth. And you just kind of click down through everything and find the question and see if they're talking about a specific question in the meeting, for example. Maybe they're talking about storage or somebody who knows about the storage. You may say, oh, okay, hey, is there any information I want to know about storage? Or is there anything I want to know about RTOs? Because they're talking about backup right now. So is that information in there? You know, is there information in there about the RAM on the machine? You hear them talking about that. Well, what do I need to know about RAM? Oh, I need to know that there are servers. What are the server configurations for RAM? And then you put in space that you can go ahead and answer that question.